Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So my daughters are watching these videos that we put out for you folks. And she says, Dad, you notice how you always say, hey guys, before you start every video? And I thought, oh my gosh, I'm so sick of hearing that now. So all I hear is that when I say that. So I thought today we'd start with something new with this great product we're gonna show you today. So let's get into it. Hey guys, Craig here again with howtopest.com. We got a fantastic product for you today. I know I say they're all fantastic, but they are. If we put them on our website, they're products that are tried and true. This right here today, if the camera can get this, this is Bird-Out. Do you have those pesky bird problems in your outdoor areas? Like, for instance, where we're at right now. This is a gazebo type area. A lot of people have problems with birds sitting and defecating on the ledges. You can see this one has a little bit of defecation back there. Just one. I don't know if the camera can get that. But that's what Bird-Out is going to prevent happening to you. So what Bird-Out is, it's a aromatic scent that is made from grape seed extract. So when this stuff goes out, it puts out this aroma of this grapey smell. For most of you, it'll be pleasant. It is not harmful for not even the birds, but pets, you, anybody else. All it does is irritate the birds where they don't like to be there. It affects their eye glands, and it just makes it a bad place. So they just fly away. There's no harm, no foul, but you don't have poop anymore. So how does the Bird-Out work? Bird-Out comes in the box like you see right here. We've taken everything out of the package. It's going to come in this plastic bag. This right here is going to be your drywall, your screws, and a key if you want to lock it. Or it comes with an adhesive backing that actually will go right onto this right here after you stick it to whatever surface it is, and then you'll just slide that into place and it'll clip on. What you do when you get this, always put gloves on. Even though this is an all-natural grapeseed extract, you still don't want this stuff on your hands. If you do, you're going to want to wash it off. It could irritate your eyes if you got enough of it and started rubbing your eyes. So I don't recommend that. So how to open this, you're going to press this button right here at the bottom. Best way to do it, hold it down here and then pull. So it clicks tight, you heard that, and then just pull it away. And it'll do this first click it open one more. How you activate this? The cartridge right here, we're not going to activate this one because it's a waste of a cartridge if I activate it. You take this top cap, you hold here, and you turn to the right clockwise until you hear a click. You're going to turn it and it's going to pop, click, whatever that noise may be. It's now locked into place. If you don't hear that click, you can get leaking. So make sure you hear that click. Do not turn this counterclockwise. You'll strip it out. Clockwise until it clicks. Once that happens, you see this little groove right here? See the groove on the bottom of that, the hole? You're just going to place that on top of that. You are good to go. You've clicked this thing open clockwise till you heard the snap. You mounted this on the wall. Boom. You put this out. This Bird-Out is going to cover a 400 square foot area, give or take. Probably take. It'll give a little more. You want this where the airflow is coming through. So if you put this in a stagnant area, it's only going to keep that scent in that one area. So outdoors like this, it's great. The airflow is going to just move this around, and it's going to keep your gazebo area, if this is what you're doing, free from those pesky birds. What kind of birds? Starlings, pigeons, crows. There's a variety of other birds that it takes care of. As you can see, I'm going to put this back down. This comes with directions, but who on God's earth can read these directions? I know I can't. So what we do, we give you a blown up version right here. This will come in every Bird-Out package. It's going to tell you exactly what I'm telling you right now in greater detail, show you how to put it on there. There's your click and twist that we talked about. It's going to have your mounting instructions, everything you need to get going here. So if you have a bigger area than the 400 square feet, then get a couple of them. They're not expensive. The cartridge is going to last you 60 days. And what it'll do, it'll just evaporate, stop putting out the smell. So after about 60 days, just change it out with a new cartridge. We sell the cartridge refills. They come in a 2-pack. So if you have one of these, you got one more for 60 days, and you got another standby for the next 60 days. If you have 2 of these, then it covers 2 units, obviously. Do the math. This key right here, basically, I'm not even going to pull it out of my gloves on. It's hard. But it goes right in the bottom of that same button that you pressed. Let's pull this out. the same button you pressed right there, if you put that key in there and twist, it just locks that, prevents that from coming undone. I guess if you're worried about kids getting into this or people getting into it, then you'd lock it. Most people aren't going to lock this. It's going to be in an area right here where nobody's going to mess with it, but that's what the key's for. Lock that bad boy up if you like. Okay, guys, Bird-Out from Bird Be Gone, a fantastic product. Any questions on that, reach out to us. Thanks again for liking the videos. Thanks for the thumbs up. We always appreciate the comments. We love those. So if something is on your mind that I left out, just reach out to us. We'd be happy to answer that for you. Once again, hey guys, Craig here, howtopest.com. Take care.